What a soggy weekend and Labor Day too,
Yeah.
and the mugginess.
You just can feel it. I mean, it's just ready to be rinsed out in the form of
exactly what I was
showers and
thinking,
thunderstorms. But we didn't have that trigger, and that trigger happened to be some cold air aloft, because when you allow some cold air aloft, you allow to grow clouds and produce some widespread showers and thunderstorms. But today we had actually some fairly warm air aloft, so we don't see that decrease in temperatures. What you do see are some, well, nice puffy clouds here and there. Maybe one or two literally can squeeze out a brief shower, and that's kind of the case across eastern Iowa and northwestern Illinois that we had today. All of the action has been mainly off to our north and west. That is where the current moisture axis is. We are forecasting that to shift its way off to the north and west, and that was certainly the case, but it's going to return as early as tomorrow. Compliments of that cold front that will be rushing its way from northwest to southeast, and that will return some drenching showers and thunderstorms in our forecast. Let's show you how all this is going to track with the help of our future track. Early morning hours, yeah, one or two showers, maybe embedded thunderstorm in our northern counties. We'll expect to see that widely scattered coverage as we make our way through most of the morning, as that front slowly oozes its way across our area. It really won't be until we get to the mid-afternoon hours when the coverage really begins to increase, and that's when we'll have to monitor a few of these thunderstorms, because of the moisture in the air. It can rinse it out in a very short period of time. So I'll be definitely keeping an eye on that. Last of these showers and thunderstorms should be ending sometime real late on Wednesday night. Now, how much rainfall could we potentially see? Well, areas where we see yellow and orange and red, and the legend there, that's about 1, 2, even 3 inches of rain. Some of that will be coming down in a very short period of time. So no surprise that we are reissuing the flash flood watch for many of our hometowns. This is where we have to keep an eye on some high water and some low water crossings, rivers, creeks, even some streams in your backyard. So if you see that, just stay away from it. That's the best thing to do. And then insult to injury, we got to watch out for any additional rainfall from Tropical Storm Gordon. It's going to be making landfall right around Biloxi sometime by later tonight. And check out the computer model tracks that we have here. Making its way up the upper Mississippi Valley, and looks like maybe passing just south of the Quad Cities as we get to the weekend. And with any tropical feature, you're going to deal with a lot of tropical rainfall. And this is the latest projections that we see, early estimates, but right now the main rainfall is expected to stay well downstream of the Quad Cities, where 3 to 6 inches of rain could be falling from Quincy eastward toward Champaign, and that's good. We want to keep that downstream, but these are early estimates. We don't want this to be shifting its way northward. If it does, then we have to be concerned of not just high water in those simple creeks, but even some of the major rivers around eastern Iowa and northwestern Illinois as well. Currently in the Quad Cities, 88 degrees after a stifling 91 for the daytime high. Still feels more like in the lower 90s with all that humidity in place. And it's going to stay quite humid as we head overnight. Partly cloudy skies. Could be one lonely shower or thunderstorm in our northern counties before dawn, the low 73. And with the passage of that front, temperatures will be much cooler, only about 81 for the daytime high. We'll be keeping an eye on those scattered showers and thunderstorms. The coverage will be increasing, especially by afternoon, where 1 or 2 of those storms could produce some very heavy rain in a very short period of time. And those temperatures get even cooler as we head to the upcoming weekend. The potential there for some more heavy rain, especially with the remnants of Gordon coming on in. Can't wait till this time next week. That's when we'll start drying out quite nicely, and those temperatures start warming up once again.
All right, thanks, James.
You bet.